Dive into a world of intriguing facts. Subscribe now for your daily dose of mind-blowing information and join our community of curious minds. Let the learning adventure begin. Once upon a time in the early 20th century, there were two men named Will West and William West who found themselves behind bars at the Leavenworth Federal Penitentiary. Now, these two were not only unlucky in their predicament, but they also had an uncanny resemblance to each other, causing quite a headache for the prison authorities. Picture this: Will West and William West, with nearly identical faces and almost the same names. It was a real-life case of mistaken identity waiting to happen. The prison was using a method called anthropometry, which involved measuring various body parts to identify its inmates. However, given the striking similarities between the two men, this method proved to be quite unreliable. Then came a revolutionary change. The prison decided to switch to a newfangled technique called fingerprinting for identification. The idea was to use the unique patterns on each person's fingers as a foolproof method of telling them apart. When they applied this new technique to Will West and William West, there was a moment of panic. At first glance, their fingerprints seemed eerily similar. It was almost as if their fingers were playing a prank on the authorities. But, and here's the twist, upon closer inspection, the experts noticed the subtle differences. The ridges and swirls on their fingers were not an exact match. It turned out that even though these two men could pass as twins, their fingerprints told a different story. This incident became a turning point in the history of identification. It showcased the incredible accuracy of fingerprinting, proving that even doppelgangers like Will West and William West could be distinguished by the unique patterns on their fingertips. From that day forward, fingerprinting became the superhero of forensic science, ensuring that no two individuals, no matter how similar they may seem, could escape the unerring gaze of their own distinctive fingerprints. And so, the legend of Will West and William West lived on, etched into the history of crime solving.